was set up, but no one else is buying it. Listen to me, Hannah. I can accept responsibility for the choices I made that put Darren Wilden in our way. But I will not admit to a murder I didn't commit. He doesn't get to die and leave me looking like a criminal.